Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and find Target store hours? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer and search for Target. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on the first link right over here and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Once you've done that, all you need to do in order for you to go ahead and find Target store hours is on the top left hand side, there's going to be ship to button, and beside that is going to be a store icon. Simply go ahead and click on that, and this is where you can select all the stores that is nearby to you. So as you can see, Coralville is just 5 miles away from me. So all I'm going to do is simply go ahead and click on more info, and once I do that, it's going to go ahead and show me the store hours right over here. So it says Wednesday 8 a.m. open, 10 p.m. close. It's mostly 8 a.m. open and 10 p.m. close, and that is about it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.